Hi, my name's Brooke with WTI, and this set of U-Taste tongs are so great. This 12 and 9 inch come in handy and hold my food. They grip onto it without dropping my food, especially my spaghetti noodles, my meats, my salad, and they're just so nice to have in the kitchen because they don't scratch up my pans, and I'm able to use them barbecuing. And it's so great because these BPA-free silicone tips are heat resistant. So even though I'm not directly putting them on the fire, I'm barbecuing with them, and look how beautiful they still are. I've also used the red Korean barbecue sauce, spaghetti sauce, and that washes up really nicely. I can throw it in my dishwasher, so easy mom style. And the thick stainless steel handles just make me feel like I'm really holding on to the food, and I just think that they're not wobbly, they're very sturdy. And I like these for the index finger, these imprints right here and the thumb, because it's a unique detail, but all these little unique details have gave me the best tongs that I have, these here, and I'm thrilled because they're super comfortable and they store wonderfully. And they're just so easy to use. They're made high quality, and I just love the fact that even when I left them in the sink overnight, there's no rust. Just so many things that makes me appreciate these. Definitely grateful that I have them, and that's my point of view.